What is up? Quick update. You're lucky you're getting this. There's actually news that came out, so I kind of was obligated because I just freshly started this shit up again yesterday. So, what we're gonna talk about here, Wulf, stock I told you about yesterday. So, it has now two things. One, they're doing a public offering. No, private offering, convertible notes. Okay, so not strictly shares, and private meaning somebody is already trying to buy it from them anyway. I think it was $350 million worth of that they're selling off like that. Okay, now on the other side of it, then they also have a $200 million share buyback. So they're giving out these convertible notes, $350 million worth, right? 350 million cash, and then they're also going out and scooping up 200 million of their stock, for the company selves. So, what does it mean? For me, I got a nothing burger out of it. Now, I'm not gonna get into the details. Convertible notes kind of worry me. Only when a company doesn't know what they're doing, or they're just now starting out, so they just need money and equity. That's kind of what happened with Wulf to begin with, to put it in this situation. So, I'm thinking that they learned from their mistakes. I haven't done any digging and figured out who it is. You're probably not gonna know until a little while down the road anyway. But all I can say is public and private are two different things. One, two, the company's already been through the ringer, the alternative way. And what is last but not least? What do I want to go? Oh, the timing. Think about the timing. We talked about yesterday, Bitcoin. I said it's going to come down and test its previous resistance around the 65,000. I don't know the exact number. Watch the other video, or don't. Either way, so during the pullback, they want to get this thing on and going, right? So they're going to have 150 million cash. And, I'm not going to act like I know what they're going to do with the rest of that, because I don't. I'm not the company. I know they're smart. They should be smart. They got all those people with all those degrees, all those fancy people working for them. So, see on that. And also, Bitcoin is still not even close to being done. Okay? So, all the crypto in total is nowhere close to being done. So, you still got a ride going. That's what I know for sure. Now, I guess they just wanted to get this out the way. Don't know. I'm not viewing it as a bad thing, 100%. Yeah, is the stock going to come down a little bit? Yeah, it probably is, but I'm going to buy, I like buying that Wulf, man. I do. I like it when that stuff's on cheap. If today was a perfect day for, I knew it was going to be a little pullback. Now, I don't know if we trade sideways here for a little while before we start zipping along again to somewhere else, or if it's just instantaneous. Not for sure, but I don't want to bring that up because I don't want to. I'm watching something in the market. Okay, I'm watching the overall stock market. It's got a similar kind of pattern to what happened. I want to say from July till like middle of July till kind of middle August, about a month's time frame, where it just kind of came down $20-$30, and then boom. I don't remember what was the event that was happening right there, but like I said, I do remember that little dip. Anyway, I'm seeing it looks kind of like that. I'm not saying it's gonna do it. I'm just saying this was me half asleep looking at it, and I noticed a little similar pattern before the drop before, and I saw this one. I was like, interesting. And then it kind of lines up because I don't trade like this, and I don't give a I'm just going to say, listen, you got the election coming up, and some people are like it's a big deal. Maybe it's a big deal to some people. It's not a big deal to me because I'm saying either way I'm good. But maybe that's what the chart is showing. Maybe like for now until the election, or for, middle of this week, maybe Friday. Something happens, some news pops out, and then the stock market drops down, and, and it's just choppy kind of down until the election's over with. Don't know. Or it could just keep running. You know what I'm saying? I'm still thinking December, boom, boom. But, like, you got to remember, I'm telling you about a dip. Now, it did... The heck? Oh, my God. I don't know what that was. Anyway, now, it did dip before about 30 points. But the thing that you got to remember is... 30 points, $30. The thing that you got to remember here is we are where we are now, right? So that's all I'm trying to say. Peloton, we talked about that yesterday. It went up 10% on top of everything else is done this week, okay? Now, the main thing, the reason why they said it went up today was because of, what's his name? Some fancy schmancy dude who probably fucking have somebody else peel his bananas. He'll eat them with a fork type shit. Yeah, one of those guys that owns a fund came out and says, oh, we're long Peloton. We see, for the long term. For the long term. Because, dude, it's $4. You know what I'm saying? The company's not like, it's I'm not going to say it's shit because I really don't know much, but I'm not buying a fucking Peloton. That's all I fucking know. I'm not personally buying one. Some bougie person's probably going to buy one, or somebody, I don't know. I just don't. Do I see it being Apple? No. But can I see it being like $15-20? Yeah. $10? Yeah, for sure. I saw it at $4. It went up over its 200 moving average, chilling there, came back down, retested it, and it's setting up a little, I don't know what they call that, but it's like when you get the whole, that effect. Don't get excited about this straight up. Again, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm intoxicated. Off of pre-workout. Don't trust me. All right, I'm loopy. Can't be liable. But anyway, it had one of them weird patterns. It's like a parabolic pattern. Whatever. That's not important. Sounds nerdy too, but yeah. Anyway, up 10% when we talked about it. So apparently, BlackRock and another fund, they have stakes into Peloton, which is weird too because now I see the ownership from 99%, where it was 99% institutions, now it's down to 93%. Now the numbers make more sense now they line up. Nonetheless, man, 93% institution is a lot for a stock that's for, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna game that for sure. You get this rally in December. I don't even listen. We're gonna take it step by step, but I'm waiting on the market to do its little boom boom. But I've came to the realization that you just gotta wait and see when these things happen, man, and just keep trading what they show you. Just keep trading what they show you, and then, yeah. I mean, we all know that shit is, fugazi. I gotta get these redone, man. Fugazi. Anyway, yeah. Had my hat on, so I got all these little fucking fluffs in there. This hat, the Ohio State hat. So, we're gonna wait and see what happens. I wouldn't be surprised if that market just takes off in total, following Christmas. Because Bitcoin, it's gonna be going. You know what I'm saying? It depends. We're gonna have to see how this all shapes out. Okay, but nonetheless, money to be made. You're now informed. Peloton, rolling, Wulf, yes, Bitcoin, of course, XRP. Don't be mad. Just give it some fucking time, bro. Like I know what's gonna happen with this stuff. I don't want to sound like one of those guys, but it's not even about win for me. Win's not really important, I know for some people it is, but you got to switch your thinking from win to just get it up there. Is it locked up in there? Are you moving? Are you acting on how it is up there? There. That way when it comes time for the physical stuff, boom. You're already connected. You're already ready to go. You're already on that wavelength. I can't even describe it. It's just good. All right. You guys be easy. You're lucky that you got this. Peace out.